So here, let's take a look at this, and this is gonna look exactly like that quiz, except it's it's a little bit wider interface. Okay. So here, you can see, here's your, oh, you know what, that isn't a PDF. That is an image. Okay. The other thing you can do here, so here we have a link, and by the way, here's where you can put a lot of content into the page. Okay, so here it says links, files, images, and this is all the stuff you have. You know, like these are links to all the different pages we have in here, and all the different, like, so here's all the wiki pages that are in this particular course, okay, for you to do, and you can add many more. So see here, there's I put in stuff about Grammarly. I have Grammarly instruction videos. Poor students. I have a bunch of intro pages. I have an MLA versus APA chart, which we'll have to revise. Organizational patterns from Markel. Semester calendar, which I'll show you in a second. There's a snow day that I made a video, and so I posted the video. I made a page on it, posted a video. But anyway, you can put like a link in there. Like say I just want to see. I just click, and I can say I want that. Where was that snow video? So yeah, just put a snow day in there. Just click down there. Okay. And I have that snow day in there. Okay. And you know, I mean, you can actually manipulate these things, move them around, and all kinds of junk. So see, there's you can also go in here to the HTML. Those of you who are more used to working with web pages, this is just your standard HTML web page stuff. Okay. And this gives you, you know, like what's going on behind the scenes. Okay. So here's your thing. Okay. Oh, it did take that image. See, here's your image right here. Preview. Okay. So it took the image right off the snippet. Pre-writing visual 1 PNG. Okay. So this is where it's putting in the image. Okay. So see how it's going to the files. This is the path it's taking to get this image. So here's this is like the kind of like a paragraph. Okay, so this is basically showing you like this is a line. Okay, and here we go. This is another line beginning, and then this is like an image, and here's like the saying here comes an image, and this is where you find it. Okay, and this is the alternative name, which is basically the file name. Okay, and this is the size of it. You can go in here and change the size of it. You can change it like bigger or smaller. Okay, but you can see there's all of these are different ones. So I had 2, 3, 4, 5. I had 5 different pre-writing visuals. Okay, and then in the end I must have put like a bunch of different returns, which I could probably edit right out of there, but it makes it sloppy. Okay, and true to my nature, I'm going to cancel this. Okay, but you'll see you can also go into files here, and this takes you to the same this takes you to the same file pages that I was showing you, and it also goes and it shows you all the different images that are in those files. Okay, so you can see some of the little tables and stuff that I made snips from. Okay, and I usually try to put all that stuff into, like, if I'm going to put it on a Word doc or something on a prompt, I usually put it in the file thing here. And this, I don't have like an image folder necessarily. I do have an image folder, but I don't make it so it shows up here. This thing actually, Canvas actually pulls these up and puts them in there. Okay, so it's kind of nice. So I'm going to go back into rich content, which just like shows you what's going on. Yeah. Notice, by the way, that these aren't my images, and so I cite them. Okay. Those of you who I've talked to about fair use, this is a good example where these are not necessarily commercial images. Many of these I think I got through. I think I went through Penn State's site and got I think I went through Penn State's Media Commons. Went to that free site and got a bunch of these off of there. But even when you go there, you have to like you still need to cite it. I mean, it's not like it's a free site, and so there's no copyright and infringements or anything that you have to worry about. But you still need to give acknowledgments, okay, and documentation. Okay, so let's get out of there. Okay. Go back into modules. I just want to show you a few of these things.